To another Form Titan video, and in this video we'll talk about how to make your DocuSign document publicly available. So what we'll do is we'll show you an existing document here that I've set up, and in this document I've got it's just a very simple demo agreement, nothing special, and then I've got a bunch of fields here that I can fill out. Now the use case here is that you can make this available publicly and anybody can sign it or anybody can access it. To do that, you need to click on Document, click on Settings, and then Document Access must be set to Public, and then Protection must be set to None. Once you've done that, click Save, and then if you publish, you can see this URL now can be viewed by anybody, and anybody can go ahead and sign this document and push it into whatever integration you may have set up, whether it's Salesforce or just the one in general. So I'll even put it in an incognito mode like this, and there you go. You can see the document is now available to view by anybody. So that's how it's done. That's how you set it to public. You simply just check document access to public and then protection equals none. Thank you for watching this video.